When we are living, it is in Christ Jesus. And when we're dying, it is in the Lord. Both in our living and in our dying, we belong to God. We belong to God. In times of sorrow and in times of pain, when sensing beauty or in love's embrace, whether we suffer or sing rejoicing, we belong to God. We belong to God. Across this wide world we shall always find those who are crying with no peace of mind. And when we help them or when we feed them, we belong to God. We belong to God.